Hey folks, Todd here. If you want to protect the cargo inside the bed of your truck with the top of the line in protection and styling, then take a look at the LS3 tonneau cover from A.R.E. The LS3 is painted to your truck's factory color code at a state-of-the-art facility to give you the best match and finish possible, making your cover a gorgeous extension of your truck. Constructed of a reinforced composite material, it's robust enough to handle any snow load, and the seals on all four sides do an exceptional job of keeping the elements out. It's also remarkably lightweight. At just 70 pounds, it offers strength without compromising agility. Your cover will include two keys to secure your gear, plus there's an optional E-lock that allows you to lock and unlock your cover using your factory key fob. A simple turn and lift of the handle and the lift struts take care of the rest, giving you access to your bed. The bottom of the LS3 is finished with a durable fiber headliner that has a plush look but offers rugged performance that you'd expect from a truck bed. You can illuminate your cargo in the dark with a battery-powered light, but it also doubles as a removable work light, expanding its function beyond the truck bed. There's also an integrated cargo lanyard that locks into the center of your cover, making it easy to access your cargo without climbing into your bed. The clamp-on installation is easily done with common tools, so there's no need for cutting or drilling. And if you need to remove the cover, it comes off with no tools, and there are provisions to hang it on the wall so it stores in a minimal space. The LS3 tonneau cover from A.R.E. is proudly made right here in the United States and is backed by a limited lifetime structure and paint warranty, 5 years on the lift struts, and 3 years on all other components. So if you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online at realtruck.com.